Oh fuck. Come on. Yeah. That's it. That's it. I know. It's fucking sexy balls cooking.
Like mid. You want to move it over a bit?
Yeah. As much as you can. Fuck. Nathan.
Yo.
A quick pause into the video. Just wanted to give a quick update on why this took a week. Long story short, like you'll see within the video, the exhaust didn't fit, but we thought to give it a crack anyways. Maybe somehow it would fit, we don't know. But at this point in time, we didn't know, but later you'll find out.
Sorry boys, I'll get it off. Oh, hey, just come, relax, man. Look what I just did. Don't do me dirty like that. Hey, did you? Yeah, you did the hard work. Okay, let's go. I reckon it should fit. Well, if it doesn't, it's not my fault.
Yeah, not your car either.
So here we are. Yeah, old gasket.
Yum, guys.
Shit's burnt. There you go, Jared. Eat up. Here you go.
Wait, hold on, let me just put it there. Is that it? Where the fuck does it sit? Oh fuck, it's over there, what?
Hi, Jared.
Nathan, isn't there like the mounting point over here?
Yeah, it is.
Oh fucking shit, cock and balls. How does that work?
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
You know what I just realised?
What?
Extended.
What needs to be extended?
Yeah, because look, it went, the thing's
It
over
hits,
here.
it hits the mount up here.
No wait, is it not sideways? Like backwards?
Ow, ow!
Yeah,
What
what if it's on backwards?
Maybe it is.
If it is, you're a fucking animal. That's not, you're right.
Uh-oh. Oh, shit.
Wait, where did you get this exhaust from?
Invidia.
Are they American?
Don't tell me it's on the wrong side. Nah, shoot.
Because it might be a left-hand drive car.
No, hold on. No, I think I bought it from DC Jap. Wait.
Really, no.
Nah, that wouldn't make sense, would it? It looked the same on the floor. Why didn't it?
Fit on the car. There's no point searching it online.
Hold on. Don't do this to me.
That's so fucking, that's so sad.
Nah, I'm pretty sure I didn't do that. Nah, come on, look at the way it lines up. It has to be on fucking right hand side. That's not even how it works, is it?
I don't know,
the fucking,
man.
It's the same car, the seats change, not the fucking where the exhaust is.
Who'd you buy it from? Did you need that? Oh my god, you probably do need that.
Where the fuck do you get that from?
It's on the website.
You're joking.
Yeah, that's it. It says here, add a catback adapter. Stock downpipe to 76mm catback adapter.
Fuck, I don't have a stock downpipe either.
Wait, you don't?
No, I don't. It was modified by the last guy.
Oh, fuck.
So this won't fit.
It's not gonna reach, is it?
How big's the adapter?
It looks like a thick fucking plate.
Okay.
For the people that are watching, Billy currently might need this.
Allegedly.
You know what? Look at you. You're just so happy, aren't you?
Huh? This what?
Nvidia.
Nvidia.
They both got your fucking money.
Nvidia's fucking scam.
Bro, Jared, are you fucking blind? Is that 16?
He wears glasses, you dumb cunt. Of course he is.
19!
Looked upside down.
Oh, fuck! Lift that.
Stick it in.
Whoa!
What was that?
Damn it.
Oh fuck, why isn't it? Yep.
Bro, we need extensions.
Ow! Ow! Fuck!
Fuck, it's down right there.
Ow! My chainsaw! Fuck!
No, fuck.
Ow!
Oh, flew back at me.
Alright.
Yep, well, cold world.
Try getting it.
Bro, fuck, when can you order it?
Order it now, what the fuck?
When will it come in?
Probably a week.
Fuck. That is fucking depressing. And I'm not gonna lie, this is more depressing us putting it back on.
I know, fuck me.
Alright.
Well, it is what it is.
Well. Hello, so Billy's not installing it today. Drop a like if you guys enjoy.
Part 2 tomorrow.
Part 2 soon.
Let's place our bets on next day delivery, huh?
I'm gonna order it now. Fuck it. I'm angry.
As the day's coming towards the end, yes, us three were pretty tired and we were pretty frustrated with ourselves. But the boys were still determined to get this exhaust fitted, but it didn't fit. So what we need is, Billy needed an extension bit, but he bought an adapter instead of the extension bit. So day 2 is us trying to fit the exhaust on with the adapter. Later to find out, we might have needed an extension bit.
I'm here with my Hungry Jacks, eating my food. It's good comedy, you know, because I'm here with the Mazda. Did an alternator on that yesterday. Anyway, Nathan's not happy I'm using the camera for my own purposes. But yeah, so we're eating Hungry Jacks. I got myself a Bacon Deluxe Hunger Tamers meal. There we go.
It's retarded.
Of course I'm retarded.
Alright.
I'm your brother. Now we can zoom in on Jared.
Hey. Which one is it?
How do you feel about Uber?
Uber what? Just
Taking an Uber home.
Oh yeah, I can take the Uber home.
I've got faith. I think it's gonna work.
Billy, my faith in you and my brother is about as good as going into a submarine and watching it implode.
You know what?
That's good
faith.
Alright, let's go.
But
why we got zip tie.
But it wouldn't even come out. Nathan.
Oh yeah, you're right.
While that's going on, let's have a look at my Facebook Marketplace.
Hell no, man.
Fuck it, let's do it.
That's what I'm saying.
I see
the
the moon's right there.
Shit.
I'm sorry, but I think the people would be interested in my face. Oh, what the fuck is this on my Marketplace? I'll just clean it up while I'm here.
Just in, wash your head.
Anyways, I volunteered myself to go 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the morning to go and pick up Billy's extension so we can get this goddamn exhaust, this Invidia's exhaust onto his Forester. But anyways, we get it, everything seems to be bolted on, and this is how it sounds.
It's terrifying.
You guys need help lifting the tip up?
What is it?
You should need help lifting the tip.
So I did the hard job here clearly, and bleeding a bit. The ratchet sort of hit my head. But it's day 3 going at it at Billy's exhaust. We bought extension bit and it works.
Stick it all in as much as you can.
Hand him, guy.
In it!
How much do you look in those ones?
Fuck off, you fat
Come here.
old fuck. Go away!
Don't talk back to me.
I'll do it.
No, I was gonna do it. I'm being Nathan right now.
Okay.
I needed a better angle to do it.
Please. Oh fuck. Come on. Yeah. That's it. That's it.
Now this.
Using some metal polish and make this shit shiny. See that? Yeah, they don't see it. But you know what, they were.
Like spinning.
Yes, man. Yes.
Yeah.
As much as you can.
Fuck, ah.
Nathan,
Yo.
did you tighten every other bolt?
Yes, everything's bolt. It totally didn't take 3 days for this to happen.
Because I want to record it.
Hold on.
fucking go!
Any exhaust leaks?
We did it, finally.
Kill that shit off, suck it off.
Oh!
So how the brakes work, right, is there's two little Panam pistons.
Yeah.
No, it's actually about 10 Panams, and they each push a piston each against your brake pads and then against your rotor, and then it stops the car.
But they're like, they have back pedals in the gyms.
Yeah, little Panam, but they're stronger. Stronger Panams.